We'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 or 10 not detecting Bluetooth headphones. There are different fixes you can try. First, go to the bottom of your screen, click on the Start menu icon, and select Settings from above. Windows 10 settings may look slightly different, but we ultimately need to go to the Bluetooth and Devices section. Now click on Add Device, select Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode. Just select them, wait, and press Done. If they don't show up here, do not worry. Let's reinstall Bluetooth drivers. Just go and right-click on the Start menu icon and select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, locate and extend Bluetooth. Right-click on Bluetooth device. Select Uninstall device and again click on Uninstall to confirm it. Now simply go to the top of the Device Manager, click on this monitor icon to let Windows find the missing Bluetooth driver, and reinstall it. Go and see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, try updating the driver. Right-click on Bluetooth device and select Update Driver option. Now choose the first Search Automatically for Windows to search for the updated Bluetooth driver on the internet, and if it is available, it will be installed. You can also try another method if nothing works. Go to the taskbar's search and type Services, and open the first utility. Now scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Just right-click on it and open Properties. From the startup type, ensure it's automatic. Apply and click OK to confirm. And that's it.